In this video, let's talk about JNU Delhi Masters in Public Health program. How should a student prepare for JNU Delhi MPH entrance exam? What is the stipend for MPH students regarding placements? All that we are going to talk in detail in this video. If you are a student who is interested in Masters in Public Health program, stick on to this video till the end. If you are new to my channel, I post all the educational content related to public health, medical and paramedical courses. This is my Insta ID. I'll be posting all the public health updates and the health and science updates. If you are interested, do consider following on Instagram. Jawaharlal Nehru University is one of the topmost universities in India. It has very good NIRF ranking, NAAC grading, and it has a very good international collaborations. So I don't think JNU University requires much intro. I hope many students know about JNU Delhi. Listen to the eligibility criteria very carefully before you apply for JNU Masters in Public Health program. This particular snap I have taken from latest 2021 JNU prospectus. Students should have bachelor's level degree with minimum duration of 4 years in clinical sciences such as MBBS, Ayush, BDS, BAMS, BUMS, BSMS, BHMS, BPT, BOT, BSc Nursing and allied subjects with minimum 55% of marks. Suppose in your respected UG degree, university or college, if you have point system like CGPA or anything, it should be equivalent to grade B in UGC 7-point scale or equivalent grade in a point scale wherever grading system is followed. I hope I am clear with this. Apart from UG degrees, what I have mentioned, master's level degree in social sciences, humanities, management sciences, technology and allied subjects with minimum 50% of marks from a recognized university are eligible. See, for UG it's 55%, for PG it's 50%. Many students are having doubt that suppose their degree is like 3 years degree and 6 months internship, all those students write a mail to JNU academic section, confirm it. Suppose if your degree is 3 years plus 6 months, it's not sure because they have mentioned 4 years degree, write a mail to JNU academic section, they'll get back to you, then you can apply to the university. Coming to stipend and placements of JNU MPH program, there is no stipend for MPH pursuing students at JNU. There are no placements for MPH course at JNU. Books to refer for JNU MPH entrance exam. See, chunk of your questions will be from preventive and social medicine. There are many books regarding preventive and social medicine. Whichever book you are comfortable, you can refer that book. But KPARC textbook is just like a Bible for preventive and social medicine. You can refer KPARC or IAPSM. In your entrance exam point of view, Preventive and Social Medicine by Dr. Vivek Jain, including Biostats, this is the best book I would recommend. Whichever book student is comfortable, you can refer that book. But remember one point, when you are buying this book, don't buy the book which doesn't include Biostats, because Biostats is a part of your syllabus. I'll drop the link in the description box if you want. Preventive and Social Medicine by Dr. Vivek Jain, which includes Biostats. Please remember this, when you are buying this book, buy the book which includes Biostats. This is the snap I have taken from 2020 prospectus. You can download latest 2021 prospectus also and try to see whether there are any changes. Mostly there will not be any changes, but it's better to refer. Students should have an idea of history of public health, concepts in public health, epidemiology. You should know like various study designs like case control study, cohort study, ecological study, cross-sectional study, randomized control trials, community trials. Read about all that. Here they have mentioned various types of epidemiological and study designs you have to know. You have to know applications of computers in epidemiology. You have to study in detail about epidemiology of specific diseases. Here they have mentioned. See, when you are studying national health programs, go through Wikaspedia. Biostats you have to study. You have to know parametric test, non-parametric test, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, correlation coefficient, all that try to study in detail. You have to know entomology, like role of vectors in causation of diseases, mode of transmission in vector-borne diseases. You have to study health planning and public health administration, health management, health economics, nutrition. You have to study environmental sanitation in detail. Go through National Nutrition Policy and national programs which are related to nutrition and their evaluation, food adulteration prevention and control, Under the next topic, environmental sanitation, there are 12 topics which to be studied. See, focus more on biomedical waste management, hazards, noise pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and all the types of pollution. Try to study in detail. Influence of physical factors like heat, cold, radiation, and noise on the health of individual and as well as community. Try to study all this. Demography and family planning, mental health, you have to study public health, importance of mental health, public health approach to mental health problems, types, diagnosis and management of mental health problems in community, application of social sciences in health, impact of urbanization of health and disease, school health, urban health. Study all the topics what they have mentioned in detail. Go through KPAC, practice MCQs, solve previous year's question papers. Definitely you can crack the entrance exam. JNU 2021 notification is out. I think many students have applied. Long back I have posted on Instagram also, like specifying last dates. 27th August is the last date. Make sure you apply before last date. And one more university named ICMR RMRC Bhubaneswar notification is also out for MPH program. Go to their official website. You can download their notification for all details. See, last date to apply is 27th August. Here they have specified regarding category wise, like what is application fee. Your entrance exam is on September. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it's been helpful for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.